Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to another review. So today I have the Apple Watch Sport Band Coastal Gray. There's a brand new sport band that Apple released this week, I believe so. So I got it and I want to show it to you guys. I want to do a quick review on it and show you guys how it looks on hand. So let's get to it. Okay guys, like I said, I'm gonna be reviewing the Coastal Gray Sport Band 44mm band. I believe this is a brand new band that came out this week. So I have my 44mm Apple Watch stainless steel space gray. So here, let's open up the box. I already opened it up earlier today, but let me just do an official review unboxing on camera. But here. So this is how it looks. Check it out. So from my eye perspective, this looks pretty light grayish. It's not that dark. So here, let's try them on. So here, let's try it on the Apple Watch. Okay. It feels pretty. Oh snap. Oh snaps. Oops. Somebody call 911. Okay guys. Oh, that came out unexpected. Okay. So that was pretty funny. Alright guys, so here it is. The Apple Watch Coastal Gray Sport Band. What can I say? It feels pretty soft. It's it looks kind of purple, but I'm trying to figure out if it's because of my lighting or because that's just how it is. So here it is, guys. Check it out. Check it out. This is how it looks. Like I said, I have this Apple Watch stainless steel, space gray, 44mm. But here it is, guys. Boom. So check it out. Okay, so let me just put it on and show you guys. Show you guys how it looks on my wrist. All right. Okay. There we go. Turn off. Killing the vibe. Watch. Okay. So here it goes. Sorry guys, I'm not trying to flex. What I mean by flex is by this. Anyways, so here it is, guys. Let me get up close. Let's just say you're chilling with your homies and you're like, here, let me just stand straight cool with my Apple Watch band, because I just bought it from Apple for 49 bucks. You know, I'm chilling. That's how it looks. I'm just gonna say it looks pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. I like very dark colors. I don't like anything super loud. This is not loud at all. It's pretty pretty nice and solid. Sorry, there we go. So just hold it for 5 seconds. Check it out. Sorry. Just check out the other side. Boom. Yeah, guys. Well, I'm doing a quick 360 view on it. If you guys want to like and subscribe, so I can keep doing these videos on the smallest things like the Apple Watch Sport Band, since not a lot of people do reviews on these accessories. They do, but it's not always, all the time. So okay, it's enough. So that's how it looks on hand. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1. Oh, that's a damn shadow. There we go. 1. Yeah, so yeah guys, so if you guys are interested in you guys want to get this band, I would recommend it maybe 9 out of 10. I would recommend it 9 out of 10. So if you guys want to go and grab one for you guys, I would go for it. Like I said, I have multiple Apple Watch bands and I like to change them all the time. So yeah guys, so here it is, the brand new Coastal Gray Apple Watch band. Yeah. Anyways, guys, if you guys found this review useful to your future purchase, then go ahead and like my video and also subscribe. So, all right, guys, you guys have a great one, and I'll catch you guys in the next review. Deuces.